Are you recording this? Oh, I don't even care. It hurts so bad. Ah, my skin. No.
What are you doing?
Baby, I got stung by a bee. Trying to take our stupid pictures in the dandelion field. Ah!
So pretty.
No, my foot is not pretty. It's swelling.
Yeah, but the scenery.
You serious with the scenery right now? No.
What?
I want it out. I want it out. Oh, God.
Can I help you?
No. Don't touch me. It itches. My little footsie, my footsie wootsie.
Let me try.
Stop! Stop it. Now you're just being mean on purpose.
All right, all right.